How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here with the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I want to thank every one of my subscribers. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And the video I'll have for you today is a stash update. It'll be a unboxing of my new add to the stash, and I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I was finally able to get one. And it is the Profil24. It's a multimedia kit, and it's a rally car kit. It's a resin, metal, and photo etch and stuff. And it's the Audi S1 Monte Carlo 1986 rally. This is it right here. I don't know if you can see that, but this right here is going to be the unboxing of this. I'll open it up and just kind of show you real quick in the plastic. I'll get it all ready to go. But it's a highly detailed kit, and I'll turn this camera around and I'll take some pictures of it, and I'll just do a picture video. That way you can see the layout of the parts and everything, and it'll be a lot better, I think, than me just showing you, me talking. I'm not a very good speaker, but I'll just do that. I'll just get some pictures and stay tuned, and as soon as I'm done talking, you can see all the pictures of the car. Thank you.